Okay, so this is the first time I've ever sort of made a blog or a recording of anything I've ever done. So recently I sort of injured my leg, and I've done a little bit of research about magnesium flakes. And what I did was I went and bought these magnesium flakes, and you're meant to have a bath every evening or every second evening, and then soak it, with lots of water. And the entire idea is that this is meant to restore some of our depleted magnesium within our body. Okay. Now, unfortunately, I do not like taking baths. I've tried it a couple times, and it's not my favorite thing in the world. I sit there in a hot bath, and it's extremely hot, and I just get really bored after half an hour. So what I decided to do then was to buy magnesium oil. A really good person that I know, Mark Cannings, who knows a lot about magnesium flakes, he said that the best thing to do is to make your own magnesium oil, right? And to do that, he said what you need to do is take magnesium flakes and put it in a little travel bottle, right? As much as you can possibly fit in there, and then put a bit of water in it, right? Now, I don't exactly know how much. I mean, I'm not exactly a scientist, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and do this now and see if it works and how good it is. Mark also says that apparently when you get the concentration right, when you put it on your body, it will sometimes sting, and that sting sometimes is because our body needs that sort of magnesium. I can't remember exactly how it was interpreted, but anyway, so gonna give it a go. Let's see what happens. Cool. I'm going to try and put this down, yeah. And let's get the ball rolling. Cool. So, if you look, you can see, I'm not sure if you can, what magnesium flakes are. They're sort of, look, it's apparently this is an Epsom salt. It's called Epsom salt too, so you'll see it looks like a salt crystal. That. Cool. And it dissolves pretty quickly when you put it in a bath, a hot bath. But like I said, I don't like using this in a bath. Okay, cool. So let's try and get this in here. I'm going to try to get as many little flakes as I possibly can. Sorry if you can't see this. Okay. In this tiny little bottle. I don't have any, never done it before, so wish me luck. Okay. Okay, that's sort of doing the trick. Getting some in there now. Okay, don't know what happened there, that video cut out. So these are the Epsom salts that I have, sorry, the magnesium flakes, blah, 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 in this little bottle. So what Mark said you need to do is try and make it, I'm going to maybe do this warm water, he never said that, but try put as little water as I possibly can get away with. I think the idea is to try and get as much of the salt diluted in the water as possible. I don't think you want the flakes there, that you want them to have dissolved. And apparently this becomes very, very oily. And then, well, they can feel oily. And I guess that's because of the amount of salt in the water. And I'm going to give that a go. I'm going to close this up. And yeah, let's see. Maybe shake it up a bit. Anyways, so this is the final product. It's quite cool. It does feel oily. It's really, really strange. So I put it on my hands and it was extreme. It was kind of slimy, weird. But yeah, so that's how you make magnesium oil out of magnesium flakes. Thank you, Mark Cannings, once again. Cheers.